Gatsby Investing App. The pros, the cons. Gatsby is a mobile investing platform that aims to simplify stock and ETF investing for everyday users. But is it the right choice for you? Starting with the pros. First, easy-to-use interface. Gatsby makes investing accessible with a clean design and simple navigation. Second, fractional investing. Users can buy partial shares, which lowers the barrier to entry for expensive stocks. Third, goal tracking. Gatsby allows you to set financial objectives and tracks your progress toward them, keeping you motivated. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited advanced tools. Experienced investors may miss research reports or technical analysis features. Another drawback is fees on certain trades or premium services, which can impact returns if not monitored carefully. The surprising truth? Most people avoid investing due to complexity. Gatsby removes that barrier by making investing approachable and manageable, especially for beginners. In conclusion, the pros user-friendly interface, fractional shares, and goal tracking make Gatsby ideal for novice investors seeking convenience. The cons limited advanced tools and fees suggest seasoned traders may need additional platforms. Overall, Gatsby is a strong choice for getting started with investing.